Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're gonna have an adventure over here at Downtown Disney with Chris.
Yeah.
Not already following me on Instagram? You can follow me on Instagram at the Kelly Bet. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. Woo! It is a beautiful day over here at Downtown Disney. We're here with I am Chris Rogers.
What up?
So we are here for The Rock, supposedly.
The boulder?
The boulder. I found him.
Yeah. The pebble?
No, Dwayne Johnson. The pebble. We're here for Dwayne Johnson with the Teremana Mobile. He said the Mana's coming here. We just have no idea when it's going to be.
No idea when it's going to happen,
Nothing.
If he's going to show up,
Yeah.
how the food's going to taste,
How the food's going to taste.
if they're going to actually sell alcohol.
I know. That's what we're curious because his big thing is tequila. It's tequila.
Yeah.
So
is mine.
see. But what I think we're going to do is we're going to see if we could get any info when things start. And if we could get an idea, we're going to just walk around, enjoy Downtown Disney today, and just have fun. So we're only here for Downtown Disney. I'm already sweating like if I was
It's hot.
like in a sauna.
Yeah, man. That sun is like harsh.
And it's only what, 8:45?
9:30, dog.
Whew, 9:30. But if you're coming to Disney anytime soon, be ready. It is hot out here.
Yeah, don't be a fool and wear your hat like I did.
Like hydrate.
Yeah.
That's the most important out here. Bring water, hydro flasks. Just be ready.
Buy those neck bands.
Yeah.
I got mine.
So we found out everything's going down in Splitsville. And there's already a line, dog. Damn.
Who knows when it's actually going to kick off?
I know. So it looks like people are already waiting. Wow. Okay. So they have like this holding area over here, and you have to be 21 to enter. You have to get this wristband, and they check your ID to enter as well, so you could confirm you're 21. But this is right next to Splitsville. I'm not sure what's going down here, but this is the Monomobile. There it is.
I guess then the park's tomorrow.
So we got a coupon for tasting tequila.
Tequila tasting
French
and
toast.
French toast. Who knows how big the French toast is going to be?
It's gonna be huge. The Rock's French toast. It's like his version of the French toast.
full big one.
I don't know. You
Not
never
for a
know.
free ticket.
Hey, the Rock goes big, man.
This is true.
Do you smell what he's cooking?
Not yet. Hopefully soon.
I know. I hope you know. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. DJ's famous French toast, Dwayne Johnson. The Jungle Manarita and the Mana Paloma. Oh, dang. Dude, we should get one of each, like, so we can try both. Mana Paloma.
That wasn't even a question, bro.
The Jungle Manarita.
Yeah. And some extra French toast.
Oh my gosh, this is fun. And this is, in a sense, a free event. You just have to pay for parking.
Yeah, if you're coming, technically.
Yeah. So we're kind of in a pickle right now. It's only, what, 10 a.m. and that does not start till 1. So we got a long, long wait over there. And then the sun's starting to come. The shade's no longer. It's going to be a long day. But we are hearing and keep hoping and staying positive. Dwayne Johnson might be coming today. The Rock, oh my Lanta. I have been a Rock fan since WWE days. I've been a big Rock fan for a long time. But the most important part, somebody just messaged me that Mana means inner spiritual power. So that's really cool, because this is called the Monomobile. So hopefully we could stay positive, and if The Rock does come out somehow, that would be crazy. And I can't wait to try the French toast and then some of the tequila. I'm excited. So since we got 3 hours to wait until we see The Rock, hopefully over there at the Teremana Mobile, we're like, let's try to see if we can get our 2-day upgraded to a 3-day for the California resident deal. And the answer is yes. You just have to come over here to the ticket booth. They have one at Disneyland side and at California Adventure side. I paid $14 more to add a 3rd day to my 2-day. And I actually used one of my days already. So for the people who have already used like 1 day out of a 2-day, you could upgrade it still to a 3-day. And it cost me only $14 for another day. That's such a good deal. Are you kidding me? So you have to be a California resident. You do have to show ID when you do the upgrade. That's the big factor because it's for California resident. But it's still possible. So you can use these tickets to the end of September, as they will expire at that point. But California resident is a great deal. Great deal. So after we got done with the tickets, we came to World of Disney, and check this out. Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. It's being sold over here at World of Disney, $27.99.
Yeah,
wow.
And that's pretty good. Look at this.
It's metal?
Yeah.
Damn. Over here at World of Disney as well, before we get out of here, there's a new marble backpack Loungefly that has arrived, and it is being sold for 75 bucks, and they are not all the same. They all have different prints, so if you do get your hands on one of these, yours is unique to yours because these prints are all different layout for, it's the same characters, but just different regards to the layout of everything. So come check this out over here at World of Disney.
Dude, it's a lot of people.
How you guys doing? Well, welcome to the happiest place on earth. And I love you too. Are you gonna be okay? You okay? What? Yeah. What's your name? What is it? Breeza. That's a cool name. Good to see you, Breeza. All right. Well, welcome guys to the Mana Mobile. I wanted to surprise you guys. But speaking of surprises, I got one more surprise. I got a few surprises today, but probably I love you too. But you're also gonna love this next person, my co-star, the amazing Emily Blunt, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Emily. So we wanted to come out and we wanted to surprise you guys. So on the Mana Mobile is going to go coast to coast. We're going to be visiting fire stations, military bases, food festivals, college campuses. It's going to be amazing. On it, we're going to serve the most delicious and freshest tacos. And today, we are serving the famous rock toast, famous brioche French toast. Teremana cocktails for you guys. As a matter of fact, speaking of Teremana cocktails, Emily and I want to raise the Teremana glass.
And do a shot.
And do a shot for you guys right now. Oh, here we go.
The Rock is cooking. Just a little shot.
Uh-oh, she's cut off.
On the wheel! She just asked me what chihu means, and that's his salmon. Chihu! So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for your love and support. For us, thank you. And this is to you guys and to Jungle Cruise. Enjoy the movie. Cheers. Oh, that is good shit. So, thank you guys so much for coming out. We appreciate
Guys, I've got some amazing news. Good news is everything's on DJ today.
Yeah!
Every shot, every bit of French toast, every jungle margarita, it's all on him for the whole day. Right? Right, tits? All on you. Say yes and yes and yes.
Yes. Jesus Christ. Okay, yes. So, for the rest of the day, all the French toast, all the Teremana. We have the jungle monaritas. We have the monarita Paloma from our amazing bartenders here. It is all free and it's all for you. Enjoy. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy Jungle Cruise. Enjoy the Mana Mobile. And Emily, let's talk because you're in trouble. Oh yes, thank you so much. But we got to be safe about this.
Oh, wow.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. Enjoy the Mana Mobile. Enjoy all the free food in Teremana.
Wow.
Dude,
Chris.
that was sick.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Dude, are you serious? This is so awesome. We're about to get our tequila. So excited. All right, so we're gonna try the Jungle Margarita. Let's see how good it is. Wow.
Is it good?
Everyone kept saying it was smooth. This is hella smooth.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to say I don't taste the alcohol, but it's there. But it's just an enjoyable. This could easily go with the meal, no problem.
Yeah.
That tequila is nice. That's
Yeah.
a nice tequila.
It's nice and smooth, like he said. He's like that ish is smooth.
He said that ish is good. You can't cuss here, but I love you, Rock. Thank you for giving us some drinks, man. Appreciate it. This is absolutely 5 fires. I'm definitely gonna have to try this out somewhere and do this type of mix because this is great. This is great. And Chris really loved the other one, which was La Paloma, or
Yeah. The Mana Paloma.
yeah. Chris tried Mana Paloma, and he said that one was delicious as well. Was it smooth too?
Yeah, 100%.
Wow. So definitely try these out if you ever get a chance, and support The Rock, man. Do you smell what The Rock is cooking? Finally had a chance to sit down after 2 days and 8 hours of standing in the sun.
After a 7-day sunburn.
I know. Dude, it was hot. Yeah, it was hot.
It was massive hot. Like I was like just.
This is DJ's famous French toast sticks, but they call them the rock toast, really. We're gonna try this out. It comes with peanut butter and then like Teremana infused, if I could remember, something like that.
That lot just happened
Yeah,
right there. So.
I'll put a picture up of what's in here. But we're finally gonna try them. Let's see how good they are. How many fires we give it.
We'll see. Gonna do one of these. One of these right here. Look at that. Look at that. Looks so good.
Oh, there. Oh, there.
And I'm not just saying that because The Rock gave me a hug. Nothing like that.
So I had to take off the polo I was wearing. It's just too hot out here, man. Finally trying DJ's famous French toast. This brioche bread that they use is actually really good. I have to give another bite. So I've never had peanut butter infused coconut syrup. This is good. This is good. I'm gonna have to give this 5 fires. Highly recommend. I wish they sold something like this in downtown Disney with a couple pieces of sausage. I really believe this is 5 fires. The bread that they use, I've never had a bread like that as French toast, but Dwayne Johnson, this guy knows what he's doing, man. These are French toasts that I wish they served at downtown Disney.
Yep.
These legit, dude.
Yeah, I buy it.
And Chris was saying if it came with what kind of sausage?
Like a sweet maple sausage.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Like a little maple infused. Like
for like $12, dude.
I mean, I'd drop a 15 on it.
Yeah. All right, so after this crazy adventure we had over here at downtown Disney, totally worth every minute of that wait. Had a lot of fun, and just the fact that we got to see The Rock and Emily. My gosh, such a cool experience. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit that like button, and thank you for supporting the fire. We are burning it down. The Cali Bank is calling it a day. I'm the main host, Mondo.